Hello guys, today I will show you how to delete a repository or folder from GitHub. So let's get started. So this is my GitHub profile. Here are some of my repositories. So I will click on repositories. So here you can see these are some of my repositories. So I will click the repository that I want to delete. So this is the repository. Okay, so this is the repository that I want to delete. So I need to go on setting. So this is setting. So here you also here you can also rename the repository, but now we want to delete the repository. So I will scroll down. So yeah, so you need to find danger zone in settings. In danger zone you can find delete this repository. So I will click on it. So I want to delete the repository. So yes, so you need to copy here, you need to copy this path and paste here. Okay, delete. Yeah, so it is showing successfully deleted. So but now let's see it has been deleted or not. So I will go to repository. So yeah, my repository is deleted. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.